everyone! This is Heart and welcome to the Heartbaker Kitchen. Yan. So for today, if you're chocolate lovers, so stay tuned to this recipe dahil we got special gifts from Sabroso Tsokolate Philippines. Ayan. So Sabroso Tsokolate is a local brand of high-quality chocolate and meron silang wide array of other products na based dun din sa chocolate or cacao natin. So they have cacao nibs, cacao powder, cocoa powder, and yung ating Sabroso Tsokolate. So we will be using 3 of their products for our recipe for today, which is the Sabroso Cocoa Powder, Sabroso Cacao Nibs, and Sabroso Tsokolate. Our recipe for today is a triple chocolate loaf cake. And what's good about this recipe, it is low carb and sugar free. So let's start. You just need 1 bowl for this recipe. We have our eggs. And erythritol. So, ito yung ating sugar substitute. So, we'll just whisk the eggs and erythritol together. Yan. So, this recipe is also diabetic friendly kasi wala tayong sugar and very low carbohydrate content. Okay, as you can see also, no special equipment needed. We just need a bowl, a whisk, and a spatula. Of course, we have preheated our oven before we started mixing. So next, we'll add in our melted butter. And then our soy milk. Yan. So, this can be any type of milk that you want. Dahil gusto lang natin dairy-free, pwede siyang almond milk, soy milk, cashew milk. So, any type of nut milk na dairy-free. And then, our melted Sabroso Tsokolate. Yan. So, nakita nyo gano'n siya ka-smooth. So, hindi siya katulad talaga nung other tablea chocolate that we can find in our market. It's very smooth at madali siyang i-melt and i-blend sa mga recipes. So this is 100% chocolate. So walang sugar, walang added dairy. So it's vegan and keto friendly. And then our vanilla extract. And then we're going to sift our dry ingredients. Ayan. So our main dry ingredient is almond flour. So we can add in also our Sabroso cocoa powder. And our baking powder. So, baking powder, not baking soda. So, magkaiba po yun. Magkaiba sila ng use sa baking recipes. So, to get rid of any lumps. So, if you don't have almond flour, ang pwedeng substitute, pwede tayong gumamit ng coconut flour. That is also a low-carb option. Ayan. So, Miss Heart, saan ba namin makikita yung mga Sabroso products? So, you can find it sa mga major supermarkets. Meron din sila. You can check out their online store on sa kanilang website. And yung Shopee and Lazada stores. Yan, meron sila yan. So, please also don't forget to subscribe on our channel below. Yan. And like and follow our social media accounts, yung Facebook and Instagram, the Heartbaker PH and the Heartbaker Kitchen. Yan, so that you will be updated pag mayroong mga next recipes kami share sa inyo. Ayan, so back to our loaf cake. Yan, so we will just gently fold in our dry ingredients na sinift natin. Yan, so as you can see, kung chocolatey na siya because of the melted Sabroso Tsokolate, may added chocolate flavor pa si cocoa powder. So as you can see, really, it's a kind of coarse batter dahil sa ating almond flour, which is okay lang. So this recipe can make 2 8x4 loaf pans, like this one. And we'll just weigh them. It will weigh around 400 grams per loaf. So, maganda rin gumamit ng foil pans like this one. Kasi it's oven safe naman, so you can bake in them. And then you can just give it as a gift to your friends as is dun sa foil pan natin. So, wala ka na masyadong huhugasan. We just want to lightly tap it. Or, pwede natin siyang smoothen with our spatula. And, of course, for added crunch, we'll top it with the cacao nibs. Another option for toppings, pwede ring nuts. So, any type of nut. Walnuts, cashews, pwede rin. Okay. So, after this, we will bake this in our preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. Ayan, so here we have our triple chocolate loaves out of the oven, so slightly cool. Ayan. Ayan. So as you can see, they are on the darker side because we used pure 100% chocolate and cocoa powder for this one. So let's try and cut one for us and taste. Yeah, nice. Okay, ating one slice of our triple chocolate loaf cake. Try natin. Yeah, so as you can see, it's not too dense. It still has yung moistness sa kanya and makuha mo talaga yung pure chocolate flavor. So this recipe, yung ating triple chocolate loaf cake is sugar-free, keto-friendly, diabetic-friendly. But of course, if you want yung regular chocolate cake natin, you can check out our channel for our moist chocolate cake recipe. I'll have the link below in the caption para you have an option if you want your regular moist chocolate cake or this, our triple chocolate loaf cake for yung mga special diets like keto or low carb or diabetic friendly. Again, for this recipe, thank you Sabroso Tsokolate Philippines. We used their 100% chocolate. Yan, this one, yung shells. their cacao nibs, and their cocoa powder. Thank you so much for watching our video for today. Check out our channel for lots of other recipe videos. Please subscribe down below and like and follow our social media accounts in Facebook or Instagram. If you have any suggestions or requests for our future recipe, don't forget to comment down below. Again, I'm Heart Cadiente and this is the Heartbaker Kitchen.